Hiya, sorry I'm a bit of a state fixing the car, but the new tent's turned up and I just want to put it up. There's a bit of a hole here. I think this is the inner. Yeah, I can't remember how you do it. Hold on, I'm going to come a bit closer. So this, they're pegs, they can go in the hole. It feels so light. Yeah, that's it. So, making sure I get it the right inside out, or not inside out. You lay it down and you find a rectangle to the corners. And you peg the corners, that's what I've been told. There's 4 big pegs, so we'll use those. Start with that one. Oh, come on, give me a corner. Got the only one ever built that doesn't have corners. I found a corner. It's upside down. Am I too close? Yeah, I didn't. Thought that was on purpose. My girl it was. So, another corner. I should put that there. Into this chair. Break the poles. Come on, Zeb. Come on. Advice I've seen is get this as square as possible. It's a rectangle. Almost 90 degrees. So we've got 2 there. We'll have to reposition these, no doubt. Put that there. Put it all tight. And the rain's starting. Come on, Zebby. Zebby's the cat. Come on, Zeb. Now, is that a rectangle? Who knows? But I guess I'll find out when it's gone up. Then from everything I've seen, I go get a trekking pole. I'll do that one over there first. I go get a trekking pole. These are the Durston ones. I wanted to get the same ones as the tent. So I want them in pockets. And one is the tent. I've set the poles at 1 metre 20. Oh, it's obvious. It goes into the brass circle. And that goes up. Like that. And I'll go do the other side. Another door this side. So room to get in and out. And look at that. I've already got shelter. So there it is. That's the outer without guidelines. It's a bit blowy today. So I'm going to get extra guy lines. I'm going to set it up. Zeb, say hello. Come on, come say hello. Hello, lad. Good boy. He'll probably be in the tent with me in a minute. I don't think holding an iPhone whilst trying to assemble this new tent I've never put up before is going to result in a good, either a good video and maybe even an undamaged tent. So I'm now going to stop recording in a second. I'll show you that if I get it right. I'll show you it with the inner. This is so exciting. I love it. It's Christmas. Well, it might as well be. So I forgot from the videos, you clip the inner tent into the corners of the outer and it makes this rhombus shape, if I'm correct in my secondary school geometry. Now all I've got to do is clip up the inner and I should have both parts of the tent together. The pegs aren't for the inner tent, I forgot. 2 clips and I have an inner. I believe down by the poles there's a loop. Yep, there's a loop and the pole goes through that, so I'll just put those in. I'm not really filming very well. I think it goes through there just to put the pole in the right place. Okay, so that's the pole there and that holds out the inner to the ground sheet. I opted for the extra wrist straps on the poles, so that makes it slightly more complicated, but you just poke the wrist strap through first. Right, do the second pole on the base. That wasn't the desired effect, that was it falling over. So I like the idea the poles are attached at the bottom, because it means they can't just fall gently out of the way and collapse in half the tent. I haven't done that properly. That's it, it's in. Okay. All together. Oh. I think I'll zip up this side and then I'll get in the other side. Now people say it's good to put an extra peg in at the door, which I'm sure it is, but I'm not doing just yet. I don't promise I'll put this up perfectly yet, but oh, it is, the space in it is luxurious, because I've been used to the tunnel and I can quite comfortably sit up in here. I can probably, excuse me, bag camera and everything. Yeah, I can kneel up as well, so I can get things done. The tent is not rectangular in the base, so, and I probably need to adjust things a little bit because I think that's pulling too much there, for example. But once you get your sleep mat in, that means you've got area at the head and feet for gear. You've also got the 2 vestibules. I love that word. 2 vestibules where you can put gear as well and out the way. I've certainly seen rucksacks and so on lent up against the poles. The poles seem really light but really sturdy. Even just then when I use the zip, it's so easy. I'm sorry, but this is the tent to buy. I don't know what the dome's like. The dome might be even better, but I'm not going out to spend another several hundred quid on another tent. This is perfect, and yeah, I really like it. Oh, it's got those vents. I can open the flaps, which gives better ventilation. Mesh lining, well, it's October, coming on towards November now, and I'm a bit concerned it'll be a bit chilly, but with some thermals on and a sleeping bag and a decent sleep mat, which I now have, I'll show you in another video, I think this will be okay. Certainly if it's not the coldest of cold times, and I certainly don't get the impression with the amount of ventilation, mind you the door's flapping because I haven't done it up, but the amount of ventilation you've got through here that you're going to get a lot of condensation. And I'll tell you the other thing is I've been looking at other tents, the OEX range of ultralight tents and things, and the materials, the ground sheet for example in that felt so flimsy. I don't know what he's done, and I'm sure I should have read it, and I probably did. Is it polyester, not nylon? Not the details, that's not what I'm after. It's really thin, but it doesn't feel flimsy. I've put it up on damp grass. It rained a minute or two just as the parcel arrived, and I'm seeing no moisture coming through this ground sheet. It's a nice soft bit of grass because I haven't cut the grass for a little while, but yeah, there's no moisture coming through. So far, I was going to say well pleased. I'm over the bloody moon with it. It's absolutely gorgeous, and because the fly is so far from the inner, I just think it's going to shed water really well. And if I was in a big rainstorm, there's enough space in here. Yeah, there's just enough space in here to do stuff. I mean, you could have a game of Monopoly quite comfortably.